Wow, what a beautiful home and breathtaking view. 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths and 1 half bathroom. Open living, dining, and kitchen area has a very tall vaulted ceiling and stained concrete flooring. Large windows across the back provides amazing lake views. Large pantry and utility room right off the 2-car attached garage. Master bedroom is downstairs with separate shower and tub and well as very large closet. The bedroom upstairs also has a full bathroom and large walk-in closet. This property is on just shy of 1/2 acre and the backyard slopes to the water with a drainage system in the yard which keeps the rain from washing away all the dirt in the yard. The yard has an outdoor fire pit area, volleyball area, wonderful boat dock with boat lift system.